tayo sa Lululemon and Lacoste kanina, kaya lang bawal mag-video sa Lululemon. So, hindi na ako nag-video sa Lacoste. So, ito na, picture spot! Kay Mount Fuji! Ayun!
Dito tayo, babe.
Saan sa?
Dito.
Paano magsa-selfie ta? Ayun si Mount Fuji. Ayun, kita na natin
Ayan,
siya.
dito kami.
Ito yung paikot, walkway going back to the west. So, parang paikot siya. Okay, punta ka sa hillside and then going back other side. Oh, you don't have to go back the same way. So, parang paikot siya. Ito, maglakad tayo. Let's see the view. There's Mount Fuji!
So look at Mount Fuji. So, itong December, autumn of 2025, sa history ng Mount Fuji, yun yung parang pinaka-late na nagka-snow siya. So, it's one of the indicators of global warming. Pero yun, nung nagka-snow sila, happy mga tao.
We're lucky hindi nagpakita siya. Hindi cloudy. Ganda ng view. It's super cold. Lakas ng hangin sa hillside. Ang ganda siguro dito sa gabi. May mga Christmas lights. Super lamig. So guys, pumasok ako sa Marc Jacobs. Maraming nakasale sa Marc Jacobs. Kaya lang, hindi na ako nag-video kasi walang tao. Bawal yata mag-video. Michael Kors. Meron din Michael Kors. Dito tayo pumunta kanina, Frank. Ito ay Michael Kors. Jimmy Choo. Sabi?
Oo, sabi niya.
Ito ano ba yan? Roger Viver. May 7-Eleven dun. Nahiya naman ako kay Lester. Wala siya binibili. Nahiya naman ako sa'yo. Ako lang ang bili ng bili. Masaya. Masaya ka din. Ay, yung bread, oh. Ang masarap yung bread. O, ba't lalabas na tayo, babe?
Different taste.
Yes. So, taste first without sauce.
Rock sauce from Paul Revere. And also you can try.
Thank you.
So, only salt
Yes.
without sauce.
Yes.
So guys, dito tayo nag-dinner sa recommended ni Misawa-san. This is Tokyo Tonkatsu. It's located near Otsuka Station. So they have different kinds of pork loin, top loin, shoulder loin, the rice, and the rice and the soup and the cabbage are refillable one time. So they recommended two types of sauce. The vegetable
Try ko tong vegetable.
and the tonkatsu sauce. So sabi niya, let's try first
Na walang sauce.
without the sauce.
Kaya malaman mo yung
Sarap nga. Yung taste, ma-appreciate mo if wala mo ng sauce. Which is a correct recommendation. Kasi malalasahan mo yung juiciness ng tonkatsu. So we ordered the same, pero mas malaki yung grams na kay Resser. He ordered 190 and I'm 140 grams.
Dami.
Ano?
Okay,
Matitaste mo yung juiciness ng pork without the sauce. And then, let's try the vegetable sauce. Yung mga masasarap na restaurant actually nakatago siya.
And Japanese siya. Walang English menu masyado.
Iba yung taste ng vegetable sauce. Hindi maasim.
Really?
Ano yung ginamit mo?
Vegetable.
Vegetable. Then there's also cabbage. They have a separate dressing. Hindi siya yung usual na sesame, Japanese sesame dressing from yung usual na may gamit sa mga tonkatsu restaurant. Let's try the soup. So, kamusta, babe?
Yup.
Okay?
Lalo yung sabaw. Very fresh.
So you can refill the rice, the cabbage, and the soup once a day. They have other menu. Meron din silang
Shrimp.
shrimp. Hindi siya tempura eh. Parang breaded shrimp, no?
Ano siya? Layo niya compared sa yung mga tonkatsu sa Cebu.
So guys, you should try this. It's Tokyo Tonkatsu near Otsuka Station. So nung Sunday when we arrived, umikot kami sa area, close to eh. Nakita na rin namin to and then it was closed. Mostly pag Sunday, masyadong nakabukas ng mga restaurants. Yung mga usual lang na Yoshinoya, mga fast food. Let's try the sauce. Masarap din siya actually kung salt lang eh. Kasi matitaste mo yung juiciness ng matitaste mo yung juiciness ng pork. Malambot siya, no?
Oo. Sarap. Saka hindi siya nakakaumay.
Masarap din yung vegetable sauce. Cabbage sauce. Yung dressing. Parang citrus.
Actually, sa cabbage pa lang, generous na sila eh. Dami.
Ang music nila dito English, no? Baka mag-refill ako ng vegetable. So kanina pala guys, bumaba kami sa Tokyo Station from Gotemba. So we rode the bus. Meron dun in front of the Gotemba Station, Gotemba Outlet, may free shuttle going to JR Gotemba Station. And then from there, may bus going to Tokyo.
We had no choice kasi late na yung mga bus na pabalik kung if you want to wait
We took
in
it.
Gotemba.
Kasi yung next bus is 350 na? 350 pa.
Ang disadvantage naman, if
Yung mga
you
stop.
go to the JR Gotemba to ride the next train the next bus to Tokyo, hindi siya express, may stops.
May tumitigal siya sa mga bus stop.
Sarap ng sabaw.
Pwede rin nag-refill. So guys, pagpasok nyo pala, meron machine dun sa may entry. Dun kayo mag-order. May option naman ng English and Japanese and Chinese. So you just order there and pay in advance. And then give the receipt to the chef so they can prepare your food. So guys, ito yung labas ng restaurant. This is Tokyo Tonkatsu. We talked to the owner. Ano siya? Taga Myanmar pala siya. No? And then he has been here for 20 years. Saka magaling siya mag-English. So no problem. Gusto niya rin daw ma-practice yung English niya. Kaya yung yung music nila sa loob, English. So try it out. Ayan. So this is the saan na ba yun? Ito. Otsuka Station. And then nandito siya banda. Sa corner. Ayan.